Hi guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of this video, this is going to be part 2 to like my whole little African Pride Moisture Miracle little series situation. And I just want to say shout out to African Pride for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much. So if you watched the first video, which I will link in the cards and also in the description box for you to check out, then you know that was all about a review on the products, especially the new products they just launched. They launched 3 new products, which is the Curl Defining Gel, the Maximum Hold Edge Styling Wax, as well as the Curl Milk and Detangler. A little sneak peek, they are bomb, but I still want you to watch the video. Today's video is going to be a tutorial. So for the first one, I did a wash and go, so I wanted to switch it up for this one, and we did a Twaid-Out. So if you don't know what a Twaid-Out is, it's a mixture between a braid out and a twist out, which you're gonna see how I did it. And I will say this is my second time ever doing a Twaid-Out, and I'm obsessed with the results. Like, it looks so good. I could definitely fluff a lot more, but I did it because I want to preserve it as long as possible. So I kind of just kept it a little small, and as the days go on, it'll just get bigger and bigger. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you can kind of see like the progress throughout the day. But yes, I'm absolutely loving the outcome of my hair right now. So before you get, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you want to see if I got this Twaid-Out, just keep watching. All right guys, let's go ahead and do this. So we're working in sections here, and I'm taking really, I would say like medium sections, because the smaller the section, the more defined your hair is going to be. And I'm going to spray it down with some water, and then we're going to add in the Curl Milk Detangler as our leave-in and smooth that in. And then you want to take whatever detangling tool you like to use and detangle your hair. Make sure there's no knots. And then we're going to take this Curl Defining Gel. You guys know from the last video how much I'm obsessed with this gel, and I'm only going to use a little bit, and we're going to smooth it onto that section. Do not go too crazy. We don't want any flaking. So for a Twaid-Out, you're going to start with the braid part. So you're going to section your hair in 3 and start to braid down. I try to get a little close for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. So you just want to do a regular braid, and then wherever you want to begin the twist, you want to stop and you want to smooth out those ends with your detangling tool. I'm using my Tangle Teaser, and you want to go ahead and start twisting all the way down. Once you get to the end of the twist, you're gonna finger coil, and that's literally it. So you're gonna do that around your entire head. So I'm gonna show you guys again, and then we'll just speed through. So you want to spray with some water, make sure your hair is nice and hydrated, smooth it in. Yep. Then you want to apply the Curl Milk, and you want to smooth that in. You want to detangle your hair, make sure there's no knots. You want to apply the gel only a little bit, don't go crazy. And you want to go ahead and start braiding your hair. So just braid all the way down, smooth wherever you're going to begin the twist, and then twist down. So what I like to do is take the 2 portions that are the smallest and combine those, opposed to the bigger portion, because then it'd be a little lopsided and crazy, and then just twist it out and finger coil the ends, and that is legit it. And you can see this product just soaked right into my hair really well, because once I pretty much let go, all the product started to go into my hair, and I knew I wasn't gonna have any flaking. So let's go ahead and finish off the rest of our head. it is the next day, and I do want to say that I did sit underneath a dryer for at least an hour to make sure my hair was completely dry the next morning. But I'm going to take the oil in the Miracle Moisture collection, and I'm going to coat my hands with this. So this is going to avoid frizzies and just make the takedown process a little bit easier. And you want to be really careful when taking your hair down to, once again, avoid frizzing. The way that I took them down was I unraveled the twist, and then I just pulled 2 strands of hair apart, and the third strand just kind of unraveled the braid. And that's really all there is to it. That is the best way to remove this. Well, take this down, not remove it, but take your hair down so that way your hair stays nice and defined. And then I took my fingers and just kind of fluffed my hair. You can use a pick, of course, and that was it. Once again, like I said in the beginning of the video, I did not over separate or anything like that because I wanted this style to last as long as possible. But yeah, I'm absolutely in love with the outcome. So that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned how to do a Twaid-Out. If you are going to try it, or if you've tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I would love to know. Make sure you pick up these products at your local Walgreens. They are bomb. I'm obsessed with them. My hair looks good. My hair smells good. It feels good. And everything's all good. Respectfully. Once again, thank you so much, African Pride, for sponsoring this video. I appreciate it so much. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.